Okay, so last two problem siguro for weak acids and bases. So mag-sample kita ng weak acid, mag-sample kita ng weak base. So ay nalalay ko ni kaya mayot malipong bang hindi bulag talag weak acids and weak base. So example kita weak acids and weak base. Of course, we will base that on our acids and base dissociation constant. Again, common it ato na acetic acid. So himunta na example is the vinegar. Okay? Pero di ko lang papakoryon. May magkore actually ni. So, di ko lang pakoryon. Diretsong bula. Let's say, may danaton vinegar. Hindi mo vinegar actually. Naka-percentage ito yan. Ito nga arat kuhan. Pero pwede tagal ng mole per liter. Example la. May the pure acetic acid is glacial. Crystallitia. So, ito na lang. Dito na lang kita. So, let's say, may danaton acetic acid. An suoy nga gisusuoy nga solid gud diya. Yes, nakita na ako kamo bihira ka makatara kay talag sa latiya bisan na laboratory kay mamahal tuya the glacial acetic acid tapos itiya gamit tapos itiya baho dana diri tira laboratory kay damat mga chemical nga properyo nga chemistry niya nga diri mabaho kasi ni you could just imagine ni mo soy tapos pure yan duro gutiya ito nga kuan masuka-suka it iyo pugos nga ro. Yes, let's say example 0.02 0.02 grams of acetic acid and iya glacial. Acetic acid and iya solid. Glacial tawag ito yung sali. Bagayahin kuanggap, bagayahin crystalline. Glacial, okay, crystalline man niya. Glacial, gintunaw ha 1 liter nga tubig. Or amo na yun natunaw. Ang nakita nato nga natunaw. Kaya bakit kasi pagkuhan mo, madugay ito matunaw. But in equilibrium, let's say amo ito ang natunaw, then we can calculate how many, what is, usually the question is, anon imo pH. Ito na lang, pH nga ni H3O+, ito na lang. Para di malipong, kaya amo ito usually pagka analiwat. Anot magiging pH ini. And amo na ito ang natunaw ng acetic acid. Natunaw na meaning natunaw pero waray mag-disintegrate. So let's represent first the disintegration of acetic acid from tables, di man? CH3COOH, ito ya, acetic acid, CH3COOH, reacting with your water will give you, of course, acids and bases and hydrogen, adi nga H, mahatag din ka H2O, magiging H3O+. So, and then, you will have your acetate, CH3COO, negative. Okay? So, and then, you write the Ka for acid. For acid, we go to 1.75 times 10 to the negative 5. 1.75 times 10 to the negative 5. No unit. So, ano niya? So, solution na kita. Solution. We can start our solution by expressing this in terms of products over reactants. Okay, mass of low action H3O plus nganhin CH3COO negative. Okay? And then, all over are CH3COO COOH. Okay. So, we have that number 1.75 times 10 to the negative 5. Again, it common ini. Basta 1:1. This guy and this guy is the same. That's why, pwede mo hirahin nga kanan H3O na lang. Kaya mo pakiana. H3O times H3O plus. Kaya ano? Kaya niya ginliwanan in hadi. Okay, ito nagduhan H3O. And then you would have the CH3COOH. So, you have an H3O plus squared all over. So, pwede na natin valueanhan aton concentration nga natunaw 0.02 grams all over animo atomic weight molar mass animo CH3COH. So you have 12.011 times 2 plus duha nga 15.999 plus upat nga hydrogen 1.008. So our CH3 is vinegar or the acetic acid in your vinegar 60.052. 60.052 gram per mole, sorry. Okay? So your H3O plus squared is equal to, so of course ini multiply ito nga di. So 1.75 exponent negative 5 times 0.02 divided by 60.052, and then you will have 5.828 times 10 to the negative 9. So kanan H3O H3O plus, so that would be the square root of answer, and that would give us 7.63 times 10 to the negative 5. And that should be our H3O plus concentration. How about for our pH? Our pH would be a negative log of that answer, which is 4.1. Okay, so that's our example for weak acid. Okay, and then last example next video is weak base. Para libot tagod na ako no patingin si Sering with example, of course.